Picture this, a truck that carries the soul of American muscle and the comfort of a luxury apartment. This is the 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're stepping inside a motorhome built for power lovers, long-road explorers, and serious comfort seekers. This is not just about travel, this is about dominating the road while living in style. As you step inside, the first feeling is strength mixed with warmth. The interior reflects classic RAM toughness but wrapped in modern luxury. Wide open space, solid wood-style panels, brushed metal finishes, and soft ambient lighting instantly make you feel at home. The cockpit-inspired driver area flows naturally into the cabin, giving a commanding yet relaxed vibe. Everything is built strong, practical, and premium, exactly what you expect from RAM. Moving forward into the bedroom, this space is designed for deep rest after long journeys. A spacious queen-size bed sits perfectly centered, with padded walls and premium fabric upholstery surrounding you. Storage cabinets are smartly built into the sides, offering plenty of room without crowding the space. Soft LED lighting, blackout window shades, and excellent insulation turn this bedroom into a peaceful retreat, whether you're parked in the desert or the mountains. Now let's step into the living area, the heart of the motorhome. This area feels open, social, and comfortable. A large L-shaped sofa provides generous seating and easily converts into an extra sleeping area. A solid dining table sits perfectly for meals, work, or family time. Across from the seating, a large smart TV and surround sound system make this space perfect for entertainment. Big windows bring in natural light, making the living area feel airy and inviting. Next comes the bathroom, where RAM focuses on functionality without sacrificing comfort. You get a fully enclosed shower with high-pressure water flow, a modern sink, and a clean, well-designed toilet area. Durable materials, easy-to-clean surfaces, and smart ventilation ensure this bathroom stays fresh on long trips. Everything is compact, efficient, and built to last. Finally, the kitchen, practical, powerful, and road-ready. This fully equipped kitchen features a gas or induction cooktop, microwave oven, large refrigerator, and deep storage cabinets. Strong countertops handle daily cooking with ease, while smart drawer systems keep everything secure while driving. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this kitchen supports real life on the road. The 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck is built for those who want strength, reliability, and comfort in one unstoppable package. If you love powerful motorhomes and detailed tours like this, subscribe to RV TourHub, because real adventures need real machines.